Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. I've got something super cool to show you. These are the Mobi L1FE LED flashlight gloves. Trust me, if you're into gadgets, you're going to love these. So imagine you're working on your car, or maybe you're out camping, it's dark, and you need both hands free, but you also need light. That's where these gloves come in. The built-in LEDs are super bright and give you just the right amount of light exactly where you need it. Honestly, these are a game changer for any hands-on task. Whether you're fixing something, working in tight spaces, or just want to look cool, the Mobi L1FE LED flashlight gloves have got you covered. Hey, have you heard about the magnetic wristband for tools? It's this really cool gadget perfect for guys who love DIY projects. The wristband has strong magnets embedded in it, so it can hold screws, nails, and other small tools while you work. Super handy, especially when you're up on a ladder or need an extra hand. That sounds awesome. It'd make a great gift for my dad. He's always misplacing his screws when he's fixing things around the house. Exactly, it's such a practical gift for any guy who's into building or fixing things. Plus, it's perfect for dads, boyfriends, husbands, basically any handyman in your life.